What's the meaning of casework? Casework. Casework.
Casework. Casework. Casework refers to the work undertaken by professionals, such as social workers or lawyers, who deal with individual cases and provide direct assistance to people in need. This can include conducting assessments, establishing relationships, developing care plans, coordinating services, and advocating on behalf of clients. The goal of casework is to address the specific needs and circumstances of individuals and promote their well-being. Caseworkers strive to provide personalized support and guidance to help their clients overcome challenges and achieve positive outcomes, such as improved health, safety, and independence.